4 months na ako nagtitake ng isotretinoin, wala na akong active acne. Pwede na ba ako magpa-microneedling or diamond peel or Glutadrip for help remove dark skin cause of acne? Thank you. So guys, if you're done taking isotretinoin, if you decide to do microneedling, for me, I think stamp microneedling 3 passes would be the best. Just be careful with your dermapens or mga automated na mga microneedling techniques or gadgets. Kasi if they are not done properly or if you overdo it, maaari itong mag-cause ng more damage sa inyong skin and aggravate the appearance of your existing acne scars. For diamond peel naman guys, I don't usually recommend diamond peel because although diamond peel initially parang maganda siya sa balat, parang ang kinis-kinis ng balat mo kasi kakakis-kis lang ng skin mo and then yung upper layer ng skin mo natanggal. This can actually be just a temporary effect. However, if you keep on exerting pressure and friction on your facial skin, of course, the facial skin will try to adapt. Eventually, if you do the diamond peel regularly, ang mangyayari sa balat po natin ay magti-thicken po ito over time as an adaptive mechanism to the habitual friction and pressure that is exerted on the face. Ang mangyayari din po nito is that yung mga skin around the hair follicles and pores natin, maaari din siyang kumapal and lumalim. And because of that, bakal mas lalong lumalim or mas lalong mahirap tanggalin yung mga comedones or whiteheads and blackheads natin. Actually, na-experience ko yan guys kasi syempre ako patient din ako. So, na-experience ko din magpa-diamond peel before and actually, sa sobrang daming bagong acne ko everyday, ginawa ko yung diamond peel as a regular procedure. But ang na-notice ko nun is mas lalo actually dumami yung acne ko over time and na-notice ko na mas lumalalim yung mga comedones ko and mas lalo silang mahirap tanggalin habang nagpapa-extraction or pag nagpapa-comedone extraction ako. Like I said, no, pag kinikis-kis natin yung skin natin, friction can actually cause frictional dermatitis. And the frictional dermatitis can cause inflammation. And anything that causes inflammation can actually trigger acne. So this is why I don't really recommend the diamond peel with or without isotretinoin. And guys, for Glutadrip naman, so yung mga Glutadrip natin guys, no, hindi siya FDA approved for cosmetic purposes. And meron tayong mga cases in the Philippines na nagkaroon ng organ failures, even heart failure and fatality. Although, hindi pa natin ma-establish ang direct association between these cases and Glutadrip, we still do not recommend this kasi hindi siya FDA approved for cosmetic indications. So also guys, kung gusto nyo talaga mag-glutathione, you can actually take yung mga capsules as long as they are FDA approved. And also look in the ingredients list if you can see na marami siyang mga ingredients and hindi kayo sure if safe ba or okay ba i-take yung mga supplements or glutathione capsule na yon with those ingredients. You can send me the full ingredients list and I can check for you one by one para makasure kayo na hindi ito magte-trigger ng inyong acne. Because sometimes guys, some individuals might be hypersensitive to the ingredients in a certain supplement. So if dark marks naman from acne yung ating i-resolve, you can actually look for topicals with skincare ingredients na mild, na may skin lightening properties kagaya ng soy, licorice. You can also look for vitamin C, that is that tetrahexyl decyl ascorbate or 3-O-ethyl ascorbic. You can also look for niacinamide and potassium azelaicyl diglycinate. And yung ating binibigay sa patients natin, no, is the niacinamide serum for dark marks. So you can use your niacinamide serum before your retinol at night para mas mabilis mag-improve ang inyong hyperpigmentation. You can also try lasers or mga pigment lasers. So for Filipino skin, the safest would be the 1064 nanometer lasers po. Okay, so you can look for that. You can start with a nanosecond laser. Depending on how big the pigments are, you can go from nanosecond to picosecond lasers. Alright guys, so for more acne tips, follow me and Basta Acne DMD. Bye!